In this video, I'll show you how you can purchase an apartment in GTA 5 online. So all you have to do is bring up your phone. So on PC, you can simply press the up arrow on the arrow keys. If you're on console, you can use the D-pad, press the up button on the D-pad to bring up the phone, and then scroll down and select internet. And then from here, choose Dynasty 8. But in case you don't find it here, select Money and Services, and then scroll down and select Dynasty 8, and then choose View Property Listing. Now you should see a list of all the available properties on the map. So select any apartment that you'd like. So let's say, for instance, this one. You can simply select it and then choose Buy. And then if you want to get the directions, you can simply select Get Directions to that particular apartment on the map. But if you have enough finances, you can simply select Purchase Property, and then you'll be prompted to trade in with any property that you'd like to use. So if you don't want to trade in, you can simply select Empty, and now you'll have purchased your apartment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.